What is going on, Shib Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today I'm here to share the great news with you all that Binance US officially announced that they're going to list Shiba INU on their platform. We know Binance already listed Shib earlier in 2021. So the fact that Binance US, the only Binance that US investors and cryptocurrency enthusiasts can utilize to invest into crypto assets is now live. So for each and every one of us that diamond handed throughout the day, I know it's been really rough the last few months, but finally we're hopefully seeing the momentum shift back into Shiba INU so we can start seeing that positive price action moving forward. So let's talk about the overall news, the overall cryptocurrency market, and what this means for Shiba INU holders. So let's make the screen small and let's dive right into it. So as you guys can see, the overall market is recovering really nicely. Bitcoin almost up 5% on the day. Ethereum also up nearly 4.55% on the day. And you guys can see most of the crypto assets are following. But Shiba Inu up 3.1%, which is respectable, but not the momentum and the shift that we are anticipating to see. Now, before I dive into the news and talk about all the different highlights, I do want to mention the links in the description below for Webull, Shib Army. If you want to get 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Make sure you click the link in the description below for Webull and sign up utilizing my link. If you do so, again, up to $2,300 could be yours. And also the ability to trade Shiba Inu with zero fees, no gas fees, no brokerage fees, zero commission on Webull. And also there's a link down there for BlockFi if you want to get up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin that you guys can see listed there. Now, couple things. So the official listing from Twitter, Binance.us, which is the Binance US official Twitter, they said Shib to open for trade Wednesday, available now for deposits. So if you want to start utilizing Binance's platform, guess what? Shiba Inu is now available on their brokerage. So this is really good news. We were anticipating that, Coinbase would be basically the big catalyst for today, Tuesday, September 14th. But Coinbase is leaving us hanging. We're waiting for Coinbase's official platform to list Shib because we know we're listed on the Pro platform, which doesn't have nearly as much users. Only a fraction of Coinbase users have the Pro compatibility, because that one is the one that you do have to pay for each and every month. It's a fee for service platform. Now, Coinbase, of course, with the 56 million plus users, we're anticipating and waiting for what? We're awaiting for them to list Shiba Inu officially. So, could it be tomorrow that Coinbase lists Shib and as well as Binance US? Absolutely. Could very well be. And of course, that will hopefully create enough buying pressure to get us out of the slump. So I'm talking 700, 800, 900. We need to break 1,000 Satoshi units. And I know from right now, we're looking at a 50% upside. And the only way we will see that is if Coinbase and Binance simultaneously or both list Shib this week, in addition to all the other catalysts that are coming on the way. Because yes, there are so many more that we can talk about, and of course, random things here and there that might come about. So you guys saw the developer of SHIBASWAP, Shaitoshi, did come out and tweet. He retweeted Martin Guilfoyle's official tweet earlier. So Martin said, "Yo, Shib Army, genuinely considering accepting Shiba's payment for upcoming shows over the next year. Would you use your Shiba tokens to getting into the nightclub and festivals that he is a part of, especially the ones that will be on the moon?" So guys, that was pretty exciting. Again, when we see celebrities endorse Shiba Inu or any crypto asset that we're a part of, that should excite us, again, giving us additional utility. Because again, the whole idea is we're trying to step in and disrupt the DeFi space, the decentralized finance space. So when we see Shiba Inu being acknowledged and SHIB token being the one that people are choosing to use as a form of currency or a form of payment for their services, that will increase utility moving forward. So I always say, guys, you guys know it's been the motto. And of course, remember that my videos are not for financial advice, like it says down there. And I'm not a financial advisor. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And Shib Army, yesterday there was a lot of fear in the market. And I said, when the market has a lot of fear, it was at 32. The fear and greed index was at 32. Lots of fear. But we're slowly but surely starting to see the fear go away and more greed. So when they panic, we pounce. And when there's a lot of greed in the market, that is a time to be fearful. But when there's a lot of fear, that is a time to get greedy. And again, someone did mention that the quote is by Warren Buffett, because I was trying to quote it yesterday and I couldn't remember who coined that term. So again, fear and greed index is looking fantastic. Catalysts on the way for Shiba Inu are looking really good. So in terms of price action, what I'm hopeful for with tomorrow's listings is, again, 20 to 30% upside in the short term, maybe by end of week. Now, going into next week, if we can break 1,000 Satoshi units and break that level of resistance, that's when we can start seeing those exponential rises in price over time. I am so excited to see what Shiba INU has to offer. And you guys know, since day one, I have been someone that has diamond handed my position and refused to sell. Although it went all the way down to 550, 540 Satoshis, all I could do at those moments is pounce. So for everybody that pounced yesterday at 630, 620, congratulations, you're already up about 6 or 7%. And it's already up 2.1% on the day. So again, nothing too exciting quite yet, but we're looking forward to those big catalysts. Again, overall cryptocurrency market space has been looking a lot better. And again, the different crypto assets that we're invested in, like Ethereum, is up 4.46, and I'm very excited about that. But you guys know what has been on absolute fire and not slowing down, of course, is Saitama. So again, I'm not going to talk about it on this video, but up almost 30% on the day, almost, over 250% on the month. Things have been looking really, really good as Saitamask approaches. But again, I'll leave that for a live stream or another video in the future. But again, at this moment in time, I'm not doing anything but increasing my position size when I can. So my current position, just because again, I know you guys really appreciate the transparency that I have on my channel, let's go ahead and pop up SHIBASWAP and take a quick glance on how things are looking in terms of my portfolio. So if we go to the bury feature, click stake tokens here, we could see the overall amount of tokens that I have buried right now are 112. So when I click bury SHIB, again, not really too impressed with my returns. About 28 million Ryoshi tokens, 2.49 bones, and again, a fraction of wrapped Ethereum. So nothing too exciting there, but the dig feature, the absolute beast in my opinion, is what the liquidity pool has to offer. So I'm up to 159 bones passively gained over time on SHIBASWAP utilizing the liquidity pool or the LP pool. So if we go to my Bonefolio analytics, and we scroll down, let's see if it will pop up. Might take a second. While it's doing what it has to do, the other thing we can also look at is my overall position in SHIB. So if we click bury SHIB, you guys can see 438 million tokens, 112 buried, $2,918 currently in liquid, but 112 buried, so that's X SHIB, which is not reflected on the total value there. So again, things overall are looking really, really good. So it looks like maybe there's a little bit of a lag with the Bonefolio, which we're not too worried about. But again, guys, I think again I'm up about $900 or so on my initial LP liquidity pool, basically stake that I did way back in July of 2021. So now it's been about 2 months since, and we're up pretty significantly, and I'm looking forward to what the future has in store. So again, guys, thank you all so much for tuning in, and until next time, everybody, keep investing.